Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the picture for single people or single persons or whatever, men or women, being single. And it's not a bad thing, that's the thing about that. It's not. Um, and this is in a print-on-demand business, so which I recommend Printful because they start you off for free and give you a free account. And they train you as well. They give you all the training that you need. Okay, so, and this is to do with print on demand, and I'm here to teach you or show you how simple it is to do the slogans, logos, and sayings, and put them on your caps and your hats and your mugs and t-shirts and uh, uh, hoodies and jackets, and whatever else you want to put them on, So you see, and that's what this business is all about. And when you put that one of those on there, on one of your slangs on there, it's yours. You differentiate yourself in the marketplace as a result of that, and your product is now unique because of that slogan that's on that hoodie or jacket or like mug or t-shirt or whatever. That's how it is. You see. So this is really, the important part of the business, which I'm showing you, and it's really, really simple and basic. Everything else you just do once. This, you have to, what you do is you don't cry over the losers, right? You don't. The ones that don't work, oh, this doesn't make any money. Don't cry over those, for goodness sake. Just chuck them out, put new ones up. That's what you're doing. Keep doing the same thing. Pretty much soon you'll get your winners and you'll be sweet. And that's how it is. You'll get your income and you'll soon be able to say, well, boss, I don't need to come in anymore because I got my own income from my business, right? That's what you want to be able to do, because then you'll be free. You're free of of being chained to the post of active income or earned income, which is really stink and is the highest tax. So you don't want to do that. Really, you really don't. You really want to get away from that kind of rubbish. Anyway, without further ado, and not much fanfare, I've just explained it to you. Printful, that is the platform I recommend because they train you and they start you off for free. So, without further ado, let's get some more down. So what do we got here? Oh yeah, of course. There's one thing that single people understand, and that's this. They all understand this one. Oh, okay. Hang on a minute. We're not doing too well. Oh, okay, because we're spelling things wrong and doing things wrong. So let's get on with it. Let's do it right. Okay, there we go. Let's correct that. There you are. Being single means you are a free agent, and that means you're not tied to anything. You see, you're not tied to anybody or anything. That's another one, so I can put that one down. You see, that's it. Being so that's another one. You're not tied to anyone or anything, which is very true. You're not. You're a free agent. You can do what you damn well like. If you want to decide to buy something, you don't have to just ask somebody else and have an argument over it, do you? You know, I mean, it just doesn't happen. You know, what are you going to do? Argue with yourself? If you want something, you buy it. Simple as that. And there's no body. You know, you don't have to. Don't have to get a disapproval from someone else who doesn't like what you've done. That just doesn't happen. Yeah, yeah. When you're single, it doesn't happen. You know. You are not tied to anyone or anything. Being single means you are a free agent. And here's another one. Okay, it's just dandy, but anyway. This is another true one, right? You know, you don't have to ask permission to go when you're single. Being single means you are free to come and go as you please, and that's right. You can just decide you want to do something, and you can go and do it. You don't have to get someone's approval for that. No, you don't. Or ask for permission. No, you don't have to ask for permission for anything. You're your own free because you're a free agent. That's why. That's the reason for that. So you don't have to submit to us, so be subdued by someone else. See? So being single means you are not tied to anyone or anything, that's a huge advantage, really. But you see, this is these are the things you put on your slogans, you put on your caps, your t-shirts, your hoodies and your jackets and your mugs and stuff like that. And it gets people thinking, that's what it does. And then those who are single don't feel bad about being single, which is, they shouldn't feel bad anyway. They shouldn't. They should be happy in their situation, you know. But this society we live in is not like that. It wants you to partner up and have kids, Well, and I know the reason for that one, but because you see, the reason for that one is that the corporation that calls itself government wants more slaves. That's all it is. That's the reason for it, because it's good for business. You see, it means they can borrow more on those slaves. You see. That's how that is. Get you to go through the system, and then which starts at birth, and the system, which is the Sassoon and Rothschild system. See, they're rich, they're wealthy, they're billionaires. They're trillionaires, not billionaires. These people, they're trillionaires on. I don't know how much. Trillions about as high as I can go. I can't. What's the next one? Triple trillionaires? I don't know. Billionaire trillionaires? I don't know what they are. But anyway, they're the richest families on the earth. On Earth, that's what they are. Okay, no one knows about them. Basically, hardly anybody. Anyway, these are the things you put on your gaps, on your products. That's what you do. And I'll show you what I mean. I mean, it's not that difficult. I mean, it's really, really simple. And this is the only thing you've got to do. And then keep doing, See, this girl with the hoodie, she says, put your design here. And once you put your design on that your hoodie becomes unique in the marketplace. Now that hoodie's not the same as every other hoodie. No, it's got your logo, your design on it, see? That's the thing. And now you are differentiating yourself in the marketplace, and that means there's no competition. And if you get a winner, that there's no competition, and you copy your sayings, your logos, and your slogans are covered by copyright. So someone else can't copy it. They can't take it and use it for themselves. You see, because you can take them to court and sue them for that. That's a fact, So that's how that is, okay? The minute you put that logo on that hoodie, you're not just another seller of hoodies and whatever else. No, you've differentiated yourself, and become creative as well. Creativity is the way to go. There's no competition there. See, that's the reason. You create and you get rewarded for that, but you got to persist. That's all. That's all you have to do is persist. So with that, I'll show you something else as well, which you might realize, and that's this. Whoops. Which I'm going to have to get to. Well, sorry about that. Where is it? There. Here's my account. Here's my account. See, I'm not going to go. See, I'm not going to pull out that mistake. I'm just going to put it up as it is. That's what I'm going to do. And you'll be able to stop it there and think and read it, and you'll be able to see what I'm doing. See, so there you go. Welcome to. It's my name there. There's some training. What I've got to do next is the choose a product and start designing. You see, so that's it. You see, and you can just and that's it. See, so this is what I mean. You put them on caps and mugs and mats and t-shirts and hoodies and jackets, on the whatever you wear, you want, and you get some training. You see, there's training, there's challenges, and here, how to start a print-on-demand business for beginners, because that's what you'll be, a beginner, and and don't cry over the losers, like I said, and don't start saying, oh, I'm not making any money, I don't want to do this anymore. No, don't do that either. Because if you do that, you're cutting yourself off at the legs, and you'll have no chance. You'll be stuck chained to the post for the rest of your life, and then you'll have maybe you might get something. You won't ever get anything but with this you will. You see, this will get you somewhere. You see, and you got your fashion guides. You've got there they tell you what's selling, and the Printful Academy where you get training and video training and everything on free traffic, paid traffic, whatever it is you need to learn, that's in there, so, and also product templates, right, on what, for creating products, so, which is, you see, it's all free, this is, I mean, there's other companies doing the same thing, but they charge for it, they charge for everything. But it's my thoughts are that this company obviously wants people to succeed, and once they get people that make money, they make money, and that's all it is, which is fair enough, and is a good way to look at it, I think. But that's my account for a free account there, and they want to help you. That's all they want to do. They just want to help you. See, Printful, they get yourself in a Printful account for free. This is free account. So yeah, so we go back to those logos again, and then you saw how simple it is. I mean, I didn't spend much time doing this, did I? And see, so that's how it is, and this is as hard as it gets, but you got to keep going, doing it over and over again, right? And those logos, the ones that don't losers, chuck them out. Don't cry over them. And just put up some more and keep doing it every day. If you keep doing it every day, right, guess what? Soon enough you get some winners, and then soon enough your job's replaced, and then you're free. See, this business will create freedom for you. It will free you from the slavery of earned income, where you've got to be there all the time. And if you're not there, you don't get paid. And never mind about the holiday pay and the sick pay, because once that's gone, right, have a day off without those two, and you won't get paid. That's it. You see, a lot of people delude themselves on that one, by saying, "Oh, I've got some sick pay, I've got some holiday pay, I can just have a day here and a day there," But once it's all gone, you have a day off, you don't get paid. That's it. You've got to be there to get paid, and that's something that people do not understand. They're a bit thick when it comes to that, I'm afraid. But you need to get involved with Printful, get your own account, and start doing something, for yourself. So then you can get this passive income and get free, of the slavery of earned income, where you've got to always be there, and it just eats up your life. And you only get one existence, I'm afraid. And if you like this video, click the like button. If you want to hear more, click the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Thank you, and bye for now.